Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt and I make videos about marketing and business. The title for today's video is, what were our 3 best B2B lead sources during 2021? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts. Hi there. During 2021, it was a challenging business environment, so it was important that we placed emphasis and focus on the most effective lead sources for our business so that business could continue. We're in a fortunate position in that we can deliver all our work online. So we deliver content marketing for our clients. So that might be videos, blog posts and so on, podcast episodes it could be as well, and so on. And we deliver all of that online. So that's not stopped by the global health concern that's still ongoing. Nevertheless, there are some lead sources that are more effective for generating leads for our business than others. The first of those is the one that you're looking at right away, and that's YouTube. So in terms of, I'm not going to keep you on tenterhooks. You know, some people count down in reverse order. I'm going to give you the best straight away because I know your time is precious. So the number 1 lead source during 2021 for our business, for Marketing Fundamentals Limited, was YouTube. You're watching it now. That's a testament to the fact that it has that attraction. People will watch YouTube, and as long as you deliver valuable content, helpful content that helps them solve problems that they have within their business, they will watch that, build a relationship with you, and then consider you to do business with. And that's very much what's happened during 2021. We've had a number of leads and inquiries that have turned into prospects, that have turned into clients straight from YouTube. So number 1, YouTube. Number 2 is probably more predictable for the B2B environment, and that's LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the obviously number 1 social media platform for B2B businesses. And like yourselves, I'm operational and active on LinkedIn. Not as active as I used to be, but you can obviously find my profile. I run a group and I have a company page that's very active. And because of that, I'm on LinkedIn and have some good level of visibility. This visibility has enabled me to obviously send messages and receive messages from people in relation to possible new projects and new opportunities. So LinkedIn is a predictable second place for in terms of the second most effective lead source for B2B for my business during 2021. The third place most effective lead source is referrals. So people within the network, whether that's on LinkedIn or whether email contact or previous colleagues, etc., generating interest and sending referred potential customers to my business. So the third most effective lead source is referrals. So those are the 3. I didn't want to sort of stretch the video out too long. I just wanted to give you a good summary of the most effective lead sources for my business during this year when we've all been challenged by the pandemic. And hopefully you can take note with that and make some adjustments in your marketing strategies for your business going forward into 2022. I know that if I was speaking with some other business owners, they may have found that cold email may have played more of a part. We do not do a lot of cold email. We really want to talk to prospects. So all of our prospects are usually nurtured through content marketing. And one way or another, they have access to our content, whether that's on YouTube or through the blog posts, social media interaction on Twitter or Instagram or TikTok. So we normally come into contact with prospects rather than cold leads. We don't do a lot of cold emailing, but for other businesses, I know they may be doing more on the cold side with email, etc., email outreach. Hope this has been useful to you. What are your 3 most effective lead sources during 2021? If that's not sort of privileged information, share it in the comments. What do you plan to change for 2022? Please also let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching all the way through. You can probably, if you're a regular viewer, you can tell that I'm still struggling slightly with a cold. Still got that. Still working against it. But I'll keep making videos. It's not the easiest thing to make videos when your voice is all croaky, But thank you for watching all the way through. I'll put all my socials on screen now. Feel free to follow me there. Obviously subscribe here and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more uploads from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks very much. Until next time, bye bye.